Tell us what's at stake in Maharashtra and Mumbai specifically. I know that 29 municipal corporations are going to the polls, but Mumbai is the big daddy or the big mommy. You can choose the gender.
Most of these municipal corporations are actually having elections after a very long time, some even more than 5 years, some close to a decade have not seen an election. So, in general, there is a scramble to establish dominance in urban Maharashtra by all parties. The round one of urban polls was held last month when municipal councils across Maharashtra went to elections, in which the Mahayuti emerged as the clear winner. And this, we can say, is the second round. Now, coming to the BMC, everybody knows that the Mumbai Municipal Corporation is the country's richest civic body. It has a budget of, so this year the budget outlay was almost 74,000 crore for 2025-26, which is bigger than the budgets of some smaller states in India. There are a lot of contracts that big contracts for roads. For example, the coastal road was implemented by the BMC for drainage, and for stormwater drains, for sewage collection, etc., that are handed out. And if any political party would want to control such a large capital and how it is allocated.
Mansi, as you say, these are big projects that the municipal corporation in Mumbai implements. There is also a lot of corruption. It's also a bit of an ATM. You can build those bad quality roads which grow potholes so quickly, and then you make more money. First of all, you make money building those roads with bad contractors who do this lousy job, and then you make more money filling those potholes. So this is almost like a Keynesian project in government corruption, that you keep on digging holes and filling them.
That's right. And also, any infrastructure projects in Mumbai are implemented mainly by three agencies: the MMRDA, MSRDC, and BMC. Now, MMRDA, MSRDC come under the state government.
Give us the full form of each.
The MMRDA is the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, which comes under the Urban Development Department of the state government, which is currently with Eknath Shinde. And the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, MSRDC, which also comes under the state government. So the Mahayuti is anyway controlling these two bodies. It also wants to establish its control on the BMC, so that all three major infrastructure agencies are now under the control of the Mahayuti. Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena is desperate to get control of the BMCs